So hello and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to refurbish your alloy at home. Just with rattle cans, bit of sandpaper, anyone can do this. It's going to be far cheaper than send them to the shop, and on this wheel it's actually got a lot of polished face on it as well. So I'm going to show you how to refurb just the polished face. Then there's the alloy itself. We're gonna refurb it back to original, so it's gonna be painted silver on here, and it's just gonna be polished face there with lacquered over. So there's some serious damage on this wheel. All the way around it's curbed, all the way, probably the worst over there, and even down the spokes there's some damage as well. So I'm gonna sand that all right down, a bit more there, and this is the stuff we're gonna be using. So we've got sandpaper ranging from 60 grit all the way up to 2000 grit for the polish, and they're all velcroed back, so we can stick them onto this velcro pad and we can place them in the drill, so it's far less labour intensive. Got a range of paints. We've got a grey primer, got alloy wheel paint, and we've got a lacquer to go over the top at the end. Okay, so we'll probably start on going all the way around the rim. Probably with a 240 or something, or 120, just to get all these really deep scratches out. Everything that's really big and visible, and then we're going to work up the grits all the way up to, well, on the polished face, all the way up to 2000 wet, to give it that really nice shine. So yeah, we'll start with the 120. Get them really big ones out first. Okay, that's just a small section done with the 240. So just run up two spokes, and I've just done this edge, and you can see the vast improvement. So we've gone from that basically to that. So far better. So I need to go around the whole wheel now with this 240, and then we're just going to build up and up and up until we get up to the 2000. And as we build up, all these very fine scratches that I'm creating with the sandpaper will slowly disappear like them there, and give us a mirror finish. Okay, so that's the whole wheel done now with the 240. So that's the hard work done. We've got all the scratches out, all the deep grooves, all the joint imperfections. Now we're gonna go straight up to 800 now, and go over the whole wheel again. So this one will be a lot quicker. Then up to 1200, then to 2000 to get a nice finish. So we'll go with the 800. Okay, so that's the 800. Again, it's starting to look better and better. It's getting a bit of a nice polish to it now. So straight back at it, straight on again with the 1200 now. So that is the, is that the 12? That's the 1200. That's the 12 now. So you see them scratches are really coming out now. There's not much left. So we'll jump straight to the 2000 now. I'm going to do this wet, and we're going to give this a really good go over, maybe 2 times. Get rid of absolutely all the last little few last little bits. Okay, so we've got ourselves a bit of water with a little bit of soap in it. So we're just going to a bit of water on the wheel. And then we're going to go with a 2000. Okay, so I've been over the whole wheel once with the 2000 wet. We'll wipe off and we'll have a look what we're left with. Okay, so we're only looking at the polished face here. We're not interested in anything else right now. And you know, that's pretty damn good, isn't it? So I do think they want another go over yet, really, to get rid of some of this blemishing around the corners. But it's looking a lot better. So we'll go over it again with 2000, I think. Another, but a bit more water this time, I think. Okay, so that's the sandpapering process complete. We've got all the scratches out of the polished faces, all the way around, all them massive grooves out of all around the edge. So that's all looking good. It's still a little bit dull, but it will be because I need to polish it yet. Obviously it's been sandpapered, so it will have a bit of a dull finish. So next up we're going to rough down the rest of the alloy with a bit of Scotch pad. Just the silver parts, just like that. Just rough it up so it dulls out. And then we'll mask off all the polished face, and we'll get the silver parts primed and painted. So I've rubbed down the whole of the wheel now, so it's nice and rough, ready to be primed. So now we're going to take it outside and give it a proper good wash with warm soapy water, get all the residue off, so you don't want to be painting with any dust and stuff on it. Okay, we're all cleaned off and dried. Now we're going to mask off the polished faces. So all around the lip is all polished, and halfway up each spoke is polished, but under the face, all that's going to be... Okay, so the wheel's now all masked off. I've masked off all the tyre as well, stop any paint getting on it, and all the polished bits have all been masked. So we're gonna primer now. Everything else that you can see, ready for the paint. Second coat of the primer done, and now we're moving on to the wheel paint alloy spray. That's 2 coats of the alloy paint done. Now whilst it's still a bit wet, we're going to try and remove this masking tape now. So if you leave it till it goes dry, you can cause flaking. So okay, so that's the two coats of alloy paint done. we've removed the masking, and it's looking good. So the final touch now for this wheel is going to be the lacquer, wheel paint lacquer. So I've just masked off the tyre again just a bit to try and not get much lacquer on it, and we'll give this wheel 2 coats of lacquer to finish off. So there you go, that's the 3rd coat of lacquer, and that wheel's finished now. So we've got to get rid of all that curb rash, repolished up them spokes, and we've painted the rest of the alloy and lacquered it. Not perfect, but far better than it was before. Alright, so yeah, thanks for watching. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you next time.